Hello friends, in this video we will going to discuss about operators in Python. Operators are of two types, unary operators and binary operators. So today in this class we will going to discuss about binary operators. So without taking any extra time, let us come on to the computer screen and show what the binary operator do in a Python. Okay, so binary operator. Binary operator. Binary operator is an operator that takes two operands. Means binary operator is an operator that take two operands to operate. Means binary operators दो ऑपरेंड्स लेगा जिससे वो ऑपरेट करे. एग्जाम्पल, A plus B. In this, A and B both are operands. Both are operands. And what this do? This will do add, है ना? Adding two numbers. Okay. So binary operator means it take two operands to operate basically. These are of many types, which are arithmetic operators, expressions operator, logical operator, and many more. In this class we will going to discuss only about arithmetic operators. Okay, so first we will discuss the theory part of the arithmetic operator, then we will going to take a program on these operators. Okay, arithmetic operators. Arithmetic operator basically means an operator that take arithmetic problems, and that perform on arithmetic operators like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and many more. Okay, so like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and etc. There are of 7 types, so we will going to discuss all of these types today. Okay, so let's close this window and open a Jupyter. Okay, topic is please wait. Topic is binary operator. Okay, or subtopic is, what is the name of subtopic? It is arithmetic. Okay, so first we take addition. How the addition work? Listen, we will assign a value, or we will take a variable name A equals to 10 and B equals to 20. Now we will going to print this A plus B. Listen, what the addition do? Addition simply add two numbers, means 10 plus 20, because the value of A is 10 and B is 20, or operator is plus addition. So it simply add two numbers, which is equals to 30. 10 plus 20 equals to 30. So the output will be 30. Means लॉजिक समझ में आ रहा है ना? क्या कर रहे हैं यहाँ? A इक्वल्स टू 10 है, B इक्वल्स टू 20 है, प्रिंट हो रहा है A प्लस B. मतलब मैंने A को वैल्यू असाइन किया 10 और B को वैल्यू असाइन किया 20. इट विल गिव 30. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट टॉपिक इज subtraction. Now we will give a variable name A and equals to 20. My bad. B, next variable is, because we need two operands. Okay, so to perform arithmetic operators or binary operators, so two operands or more than two, not only one operator. Basically means binary operator means which take two operands. Okay, here we will take more than two operands also, but not less than two operands. Okay, so B equals to 10. Now print A minus B. what it do, it will simply minus these two numbers, and so 20 minus 10 equals to 10. Okay, the output will be 10. Very good. Okay, next operator is subtraction, multiplication. Multi. Here also we will take two operands, which is 20 upon b. One operand is a, second operand is b. Here we will assign a value 10, 20 and 30. Now print. What we want to print? We will want to multiply these two numbers, so we will simply a into b. Okay. Then what is the answer? Answer will be 20 into 30, which is equals to 2 3 is 600. The answer will be 600. I hope it make clear to you, है ना? Okay, clear हो रहा होगा सबको. $600 है ना? Simply we will do the division. बाइनरी ऑपरेटर है तो भी हम टू ऑपरेंड्स लेंगे. वन इज 20 एंड सेकेंड इज 50. ओके, A divided by B. Now simply check the output of this number, which is 1.33. Listen carefully. Here, what the division do? There are two operators in arithmetic operator, which are two operators. One is division, or second is floor. It will be denoted by this and it will be denoted by this. What the division do? Division give you the output in float value. Division हमें output देगा float value में, means values which have decimal parts also, means 2.2, 4.567. This answer is in decimal value, है ना, or a float value. Now what is the floor do? Listen, we will take floor, same number we will take, assign same values. Okay, so then b equals to 15. Now what will it give you answer? It will give only 1 because it is an integer part. Okay, the floor give only integer part. The answer of the output is integer part only in the floor operator. Okay, so print a. Now output is clear. I hope it make clear to you. Okay, now second last operator is exponential operator. Exponential operator. So what it will do? It will take the power of a given number. Okay, just let us suppose a equals to 10 and we will give b equals to 4. So print a star. See, if you want a program to give a power, है ना, a raised to the power means a power 4, a power 5, b power 6. So to do this we will only write 2 stars, a into 4, it will give the output of this, and a into 6, it will give the output of this. Okay, sorry, it will give to the output of not of this, 8 to the power 5, it will do the output of this. Okay, so for doing an exponential operator we will use two stars and two multiplication sign to do a exponential work. Okay, power work. So B. Now what is the output of this given number? 10 to the power 4, which is 10,000. Is that clear? Very good. Now one last operator is modulus operator. Modulus operator basically gives you the remainder of the division. Okay, which division you perform, it will give the remainder. Okay, let us suppose 10, A equals to 10 and B equals to 3. So then what is the remainder of this equation, or this is A modulus B. Then what is the remainder? 10, 3, 3, 9, 1. So let us check. So this is all about arithmetic operators. I hope it made clear and it will be clear to you. If you have any doubt, so please do comment. I will make it resolved as soon as possible. So please do practice as much as you practice. It will clear your doubts also. Okay. So thank you.